Rough diamonds have fascinated people for centuries because of their beauty, rarity, and value. Many people who discover unusual stones or collect minerals often wonder if they have found a real rough diamond. While professional gemological testing remains the most accurate way to identify diamonds, some home experiments are popular among enthusiasts. One of these unusual methods involves using Coca-Cola. Before trying this experiment, it is important to understand that Coca-Cola cannot scientifically confirm whether a stone is a real diamond. However, it can be used as a simple cleaning and observation method that may help you examine the surface and appearance of a suspected rough diamond. This guide explains how to test and observe rough stones at home using Coca-Cola in a safe and easy way. Why Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola contains mild acids including phosphoric acid and carbonic acid. These ingredients can help loosen dirt, stains, and mineral buildup on certain surfaces. Because rough diamonds often come covered with soil or residue, some people use Coca-Cola to clean the stone and observe its natural features more clearly. The drink does not dissolve diamonds or prove authenticity, but it may reveal details hidden beneath dirt or oxidation. Materials needed. Before starting, gather the following materials: a glass or plastic cup, Coca-Cola, clean water, soft toothbrush or cloth, gloves, optional, suspected rough diamond or stone. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Inspect the stone. Before placing the stone in Coca-Cola, examine it carefully. Look for natural crystal shapes, glassy or waxy appearance, sharp edges, surface patterns, transparency or cloudy areas. Rough diamonds usually have irregular crystal forms and may not look shiny like polished diamonds. Step 2. Prepare the Coca-Cola bath. Pour enough Coca-Cola into a cup to fully cover the stone. Place the rough stone gently into the liquid and leave it submerged for about 20 to 30 minutes. Some people leave it longer, but extended soaking is usually unnecessary. Step 3. Observe the reaction. During soaking, observe whether the stone changes. A real diamond is extremely hard and chemically stable. Coca-Cola should not damage it. However, dirt, clay, or surface residue may loosen and separate from the stone. If the stone appears cleaner afterward, this may help reveal natural features for closer inspection. Remember, no visible reaction automatically means the stone is a diamond. Step 4. Clean the stone. Remove the stone from the Coca-Cola. Rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove sticky residue. Use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub the surface and remove loosened dirt. Dry the stone with a soft cloth. Now, step 5. Examine the results. After cleaning, inspect the stone again under good lighting. Look for these common rough diamond characteristics: strong hardness, natural crystal faces, greasy or oily luster, resistance to scratching, sharp geometric surfaces. If the stone suddenly looks glassy, brittle, or easily scratched, it may be quartz or another mineral rather than diamond. Important limitations. Many online videos suggest that Coca-Cola can identify diamonds directly. This is misleading. Coca-Cola does not provide scientific proof of authenticity. A stone that survives Coca-Cola is not automatically a diamond because many minerals resist weak acids. Likewise, a dirty stone becoming cleaner does not confirm value. Professional identification uses specialized equipment such as diamond testers, thermal conductivity tools, microscopes, gemological analysis. These methods are far more reliable than home experiments. Safety tips: avoid using strong chemicals without knowledge. Keep stones away from children during testing. Wash hands after handling dirty stones. Do not rely on internet myths alone for expensive discoveries. Final thoughts. Testing rough stones at home using Coca-Cola can be an interesting and simple cleaning experiment. It may help remove dirt and reveal surface details, making the stone easier to inspect. However, Coca-Cola cannot confirm whether a stone is a real rough diamond.